Aficionado is a well-known perfume in the Philippines and owned by Mr. Joel Cruz. Aficionado is affordable brand, even students can afford it. Aficionado perfume has a 50% oil base and it can long last up to 8 hours or more. Kahit oil base ito, hindi ito nagiiwan ng mancha sa damit. And here's why people loves it. Kapag naubos mo na ang bottle ng perfume mo, pwede mo ito i-refill kahit sa ang branch at may discount pa ito. But wait, there's more. Kapag ikaw ay nag-refill, pwede mo mapalitan ng ibang scents na gusto mo. At may discount pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Grab yours na!